But the second important thing that you should know, it should match your requirements. So, as per the requirements. What instruction is this? The specific functionality of the application. You cannot just go and say, okay, let's say I have Facebook account, and you go, oh, first step, I go and www.facebook.com, and the next step, second step is I go add video. No, there is a process to it. For that, you gotta say, I have to log in first. So every single one. So for example, if I have I don't understand, where is Luna?
She went to get medicine.
Who is it? Hey. We found a monster. Bismillah. Today is 7/24, October 20th. October 20th. Let's say we are going with Yahoo Mails. So you go to what? First? Yahoo.com.
Right.
Correct? So let's go to Yahoo.com. Something's wrong with the computer. So you press Yahoo.com. And you go to that. First you go to Yahoo, and what do you have? This is a
URL.
right, but this is your URL.
Oh,
But where you go, you come to your
Homepage.
so home page is the main page. Here you can click for mail, sign in, or mail. So I can sign in. So click for sign in.
The project response.
No, I'm just, I know that I'm not doing that. See, if I want to sign in there, I first click it and I don't have anything. It also says sign up for a new account. So I can sign up. I can sign in. As soon as I do this, what happens? I go to a mail, right? So I can go, that one is like what? Like a, or compose page. That's where I can do what? I can compose a new mail. I can read a mail. What else I can do there?
You can filter mails.
I can search.
files.
Delete
I can
trash.
search for a specific mail. Correct? I can delete a mail. I can
junk.
You can
It's
the
flag,
same thing, right?
flag email.
flag email, or you can also
unread,
change the folders,
status.
create new folders. So there are a lot of just things you can do.
Yeah, right. So lots of functionality.
The reason I'm saying this, if I have my path, start my path, I should have, remember we have description here, subject here, name here, sorry, name, what was that, name first?
Name, then
Right, description, then you have
Path.
path, and then you have type,
Type.
type.
right? So, we know that those are most of them are functional. So path here I can do is what? 1.0 Yahoo
.com.
slash 1.1 homepage. So here, forget about the description, now let's go to name. I can have what? 1.1.1 sign up. Do you understand that? Because this is my home page. Yahoo, main page. What is this?
Homepage.
This one. Next hierarchical, next highest rank. Then in that home page, I have sign up, which is 1 point. So this is 1.0 under that. So I can go this one right now and go 1.0 Yahoo. I'll explain it again. Yahoo slash, this one is 1.2 because 1.1 is taken already. So I'm gonna put this one as compose mail. Here the name gonna be 1.2.1 compose mail. You guys are following this? You guys have difficulty doing this? Luna, you already started, you should come in. So let's start from the beginning again. Shrinda is not. Let's say you go to, you know what, I'll wait. Browser. And I say google.com, mail, Google Mail. This is transfer tech, right? I even forgot what was the
Transfer take 2015.
2015. But what was the password? Password.
It was a big password.
Huh?
Transfer tag 2015.
2015.
And then with the
The bank sign, right?
bank sign.
Bank sign. Okay. All right, fine. So I'm gonna just sign out.
You can
Let's go to www.google.com. And from there I say mail, email. Hey, what was on? Do you know how to click delete cookies from
Yeah. Shift control delete.
Control Shift delete? Control Shift hold together, press delete. Do not pay attention to this. Control Shift
Delete.
and delete button, that click that deletes all these cookies. So you should do is like delete cookies. If I come in here, I can have either sign in or sign in with a different account. See, if I go to, let's say, www.yahoo.com, it gives me what option? What I came in right now. I put a URL in here. I put an address where I'm going to. What am I going to?
Yeah.
Yahoo.com. What option? The page that I came in is called
Homepage.
homepage. So I came in yahoo.com. The page that I came in is
Homepage.
homepage. Under the homepage, I have what option?
Mail, news, sports.
Sign in
Sign in.
or mail. Sign in, mail. So I can say first one is sign in. But to sign in, you have to have an account.
Right.
So I click on sign in and it tells me I go to another page. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So go to a sign in page. So maybe I can put this one under home page, that's fine. But here, what do you have? You have sign up for a new account at the bottom, don't you?
Yes.
So I can have sign up also, don't I? Under home page. And I can go and this sign in and sign up for what? For mail.
Yahoo Mail.
Is it for anything else?
No.
So do I have to put mail here?
No.
No. So I can have this. So as soon as I sign up or sign in, then I go to another page. That page has what? I have a sign in page. So that is two point zero. That's a. We should name something on that.
Welcome page.
Welcome page. Or you can just say simply mail. Because that's what you're dealing with all the mails. Here, what you can do? What can you do?
You can read your mail.
You can compose a mail.
Read your mail.
You can read a mail. You can compose is actually sent, that one. But
Delete the mail.
I can delete a mail. I can. What else I can
You
do?
can sort
You
your
can
mail.
search.
Which is search.
You can forward your mail.
I can forward a mail, right?
It's a lot of functions there.
A lot of different functionalities you can do. All this. Now, remember yesterday we did what? How to write a test case in an Excel.
Mm-hmm.
What was the title of those? First one was
Name. No.
Name.
name. Then you had
Description.
description,
That type.
path,
Type.
type. Bobby, you missed that class. But who missed it yesterday? Except for Bobby? You missed it. No, you were here. Yeah, so Bobby missed it.
What
First
about
of all, let's deal with path. What path we have here right now?
Yahoo.
1.0?
1.0 Yahoo. If I do that, I should change this one to 1.1
Yes.
because you already have that 1.0. So this one should be 1.2 because this is 1.1, this is 1.2. So I have This one 1.1. I said, okay, main page is what?
110.
Underneath, this is the parent. So I can have this one. The next hierarchy, next step is what? This, right? So I have 1.1
1.1.
home page. See, if I have that, now I can come to the name. What is the next one? Sign in.
Sign in.
So I can have what? 1.1 we have, and underneath this one, so another one, which is this, sign in. What is the description should be?
User should be able to sign in.
Right, and authorized user can sign in. So instead of sign in, we're gonna change this internal because you have to sign up first, don't you?
Yes.
So we're gonna do is sign up, then we do sign in. So we do sign up and we do sign in. Now, what we can write in here in description, we can write here, so we're gonna just do it in here. We can write down here,
User can sign.
and authorized
User.
user is able to sign up to Yahoo Mail or whatever you want to say. To Yahoo Mail. However you want to say it. If I wanted to do this one for sign in, what that should be? Let me do.
Sign.
You alright? 1.1.2.
Two.
Makes sense or not?
Sign in.
And that should be right now.
Sign in.
So here it should be what?
1.1.
It should be 1.0 Yahoo and slash 1.1 homepage because you are still in the same page, aren't you?
Right.
Yes.
So now you can have this, and the description should be same thing. Maybe you can change this one. This one, I made a mistake. When somebody is signing in, he doesn't have to be authorized.
A user.
You can say a user.
Signing up.
A user or any user can sign in. Right? Because when you're signing in, it can be anybody in the world with the access of network. You don't have to have an Yahoo account to sign up, do you?
No.
You're confused about that.
No, because you
To
said
sign
in.
up.
Yeah,
To
you
sign
kept
up, you-
saying sign in, that's why.
The first time signing is signing up, and then signing in once you have an account.
No, sign up. When I'm signing up, I'm
Right.
first time, I'm signing up, so anybody can do it, right?
Right.
But this time I can write down and authorized.
User should be able to.
If
sign
you
up.
log in, sign in, you log in.
Yeah,
Sign in is
has to
log
be
in.
log in.
Yeah. So
So
sign in and log
log
in,
in,
sign in or log in. So same thing. So to log in or this one you don't say log out, by the way. You can say sign up. But to sign up, to sign in, you have to sign up first. You have to have an account first. To have an account, what do? You put your information by signing up. So first you sign up to the Yahoo Mail, and after you sign up, you can sign in. So when you go to the Facebook, most of our Facebooks are 24/7 on, like mine is. But if you sign out, what do? You have to go there and put in information. But that information has to be there first to signing up. So now you can say an authorized user
Is able to sign in.
should be able to
Sign.
So these two are good.
Yeah.
If I wanted to do this right now, and I wanted to do this, what should be here?
One
Tell me, somebody, you guys do your brainstorm.
1.0
Alright.
Yahoo.
Alright, so Luna, tell me, if I don't nobody else, all the women, 4 of you together, gotta tell me, what should I put in here for this, for compost?
1.2.1.
Not here, I'm talking about here. What should I put here first?
1.2.
1.2 I put right down here? That's what I write?
She has the concept right.
Right. No, I'm saying that's what I'm trying to figure out. Because where do you want me to write this?
Where?
Pet.
No,
Yahoo.
Okay.
Dada ba তারপরে ছেলে।
Okay, so which page we came in here first? So see if you understand this.
Oh.
Now if I come in here, I do this, I want to write that one as a name here, right? You
Oh.
say that.
1.1.
Do that, I come in first path. What path is that? Yahoo.com, same thing as that.
1.0.
1.0
slash-
Yahoo.
Oh,
Then what?
Slash?
Slash. Oh,
1.2.
1.2 mail.
Mail.
Isn't that what it is?
yes, yes.
And then I come in here and I say
1.1.
1.2.1 compose. What do I write in description? Do you understand this?
Yeah.
Who didn't understand that?
Okay.
Me too, you got it?
You said separate.
We talked about it. I go to Yahoo Mail, I go to the home page and they say sign in. I click the sign in, it says do you have an account? I don't have an account. So you have to sign up first, right? So basically you have to sign up first and then sign in. Then you go there, you can go to the mail, you can compose it, read it, delete it, whatever you can do that. So the first one is the home page, but who's the main guy?
Yeah.
So that's our grandfather. After that, my father is the home page. After that, the kids are here what? Sign up and sign in. As soon as I sign in, I go to the main page. Right? Mail page. So that's why still the grandfather is this. Now the son is this. This is my uncle. And here my cousins are who? Compose and all those. So I still have 1 point new grandfather, but this time it was my father's name, this time is my uncle's name.
Okay.
Because we are.
If I had another uncle here, let's say I had another page, I would have this one 1.3.
So 1.0
And then I would have
Yahoo.
1.0
Yahoo
Yahoo
slash
slash 1.3, whatever that is, and it would be here 1.3.1, 1.3.2, and goes on and on and on. But here, what do I can write as a description? That after signing in, anyone can compose a mail.
Uh-huh.
Right?
Yes.
You understand this?
Yes.
Because this is a very important concept for test case. Tell me anything that I didn't understand, you didn't understand here.
Give us.
Yeah, give us the description for that one. So it'd be
So you tell me the what description, how you get in here.
authorized
User
should
able
be
to
able
Authorize
to.
you now.
No.
You should say in after sign.
User should
User should be able to compose a mail.
XYZ is, should be able to do such.
Right. So when you do that, you have to go here first, open a browser, go to www.com, click on sign in. After signing in, what do? You put your username, you put your password, you click in the signing name, then you come to this page. Then you click on compose button. Isn't that a common set steps?
yes.
You know what that is called?
Template.
Template. So you don't have to do it. So in QC, what you can do is you can use that as a template. So every time you need to do something in here, you gotta do this one first, right? So you can just use all those steps as a template.
We don't have to go through. Sorry.
For example, if you were to test only the compose part of it, right?
Right, but you have to go through the signing first.
No, I know. So how would you say the additional test case you will be writing just for compose, like,
Okay, in compose, you can have something else. For example, you can compose with
with
positive,
picture,
let's say positive testing.
Yeah.
So you can do composing of writing with a, without any attachment. You can have a compose with an attachment. You can compose for one person. You can have compose with a BC, with a compose with CC. Don't you have different things?
IDs under that, and if you were
So you can have this one as 1.2.1, 1.2.2, not this. I'm talking about under
just for
compose.
compose.
Under
Now
compose.
it's branching out.
Right, all branching out. For read, it would be 1.2.2.
Ah.
And then you can say here, this is 1. See, this one is another grandfather. And if you put this one, you can say 1.2.1, 1.0, 1.1, or something like that. So on and so forth. And this one is 1.2, this is 1.2.3, this is 1.2.3, and you can branch it after that. Okay?
So in that scenario, if we have something under compose, that will be our key.
Isn't that good?
For like a subject and carbon copy, those are something like.
The pathটা কি আমাদের যখন ইয়ে আমরা যখন ইয়ে
Dry erase. Offensive. Huh? না এটা তো আগে বলছিল না এটা তো কম ইয়ে হয়ে যেত তাই না?
Is it erasable?
হ্যাঁ
Huh?
pathটা কি লিখতে হয় এর সময় যে
For QC, yes, you do.
Description like
Read right now. Would you be able to? Yes, sir.
Yes, inshallah.
on the 1.2.1 compose, it's supposed to come after that 1.2.2 or 1.3. Is there any
After this.
like description of it?
Huh?
description
Description, is 1.2.1. Right.
This one is this.
Right. So next one is going to be what now?
If I do this, then it will be 1.2.2.
So how come it's 1.3.1?
I said if I had another one, let's say if I had something in here, let's say photo.
Oh, okay, sorry.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
then under photo, if you have an upload photo, upload delete photo,
Okay.
or upload video, something that would come in that
That
number.
might be.
That number
might
is
be,
coming.
Grandfather's
Each
children.
subject has
Right.
number in it.
You understand that?
Yes.
Bobby, you understood it? Okay. Everybody good with this?
Yes. Let's
So if I tell you something to do right now, would you be able to do?
let's try.
Let's try.
Yeah.
Okay, so today you are sitting with Robin and Zuma. Go, sit there. 3 people together. Okay, Murad, or you guys 3.
মিঠু আসুন তাহলে হ্যাঁ মিঠু তো কোনায় বসে রয়েছে টেবিল আছে
No, Mitu has other computer now, na?
ও আচ্ছা
So they are going to use it.
আমি আসবো আপনি আসলে ধরুন না দিন আরাম করে বসে ধরুন আসুন
Don't know about that.
ভালো ছাত্রের জন্য না তো কম্পিউটার
Your computer, you 3 of you use. You guys 2 use it. You have 2. Okay. All right, fine. Fatima, you come in here.
We're doing an Excel?
Yeah, Fatima, come in here.
বাবু দেখো এটা আমি এটা আছে কোথা আছে এটা কিসের উপর লিখবো
I want you to write down this.
টেস্টে করবো
Let me show you. So this is my virtual machine that I opened. Okay? And if I come in here and I say program, I go to Mercury Quality Center, all of you should have it. Do you have your virtual machine open?
No.
No.
Do you know how to open it?
Which
Okay.
is
Do you have a little scroll in there?
yes.
The
Huh?
VMware, right?
Okay. You have your computer VMware? Okay. Where's your VMware? So you already have it. So you guys have VMware. You open it. So you go to program,
I
start.
can use it one day.
No, start. That's start. Go to all programs. And then you go to, you find your load runner.
How come you won't open the
Where does it say load runner?
Did you open? My one's in this.
How come you don't have load runner there?
Oh,
Oh, there it is.
somebody put this.
This is what, Windows 10?
Yes. You should go to XP
Who did
home.
that?
Yeah, home.
You have load runner?
So we're gonna do open a virtual machine.
Open a virtual machine, right?
Yes.
Yes. Shimon, they don't have load runner there?
And now Windows XP Professional VM. I think ICK. This, my one's in this.
all programs was edited all programs same হবে না নিচে যাবো
Alright, so let me do this. Let me show you. Guys, pay attention to this plug. Please stop for a second. What are you doing? So I can come in here. Let's say this is my virtual machine, right? I can come in and start here, and I have all programs in here, however you have set up in your computer. Then you see the load runner here? I can go to sample and it says demo web tour. I can start the web server. First I should start the web server. You see something happen there? No, you guys don't have it. That's why I said pay attention here, guys. Come on.
Right.
So pay attention to the screen, guys. Stop doing it with your computer.
Go and
This
check
one is
the phone.
important.
This only has the XP or
No, this one has XP Professional. But here, you see the program here?
Mhm.
I go to load runner here. See the load runner? I go to all program. I go to start program. I go to load runner. Go to sample web to web, and this is start web. As soon as I start it, you will see on the left side top corner something happen.
Yeah.
That means it started already the server. Now ask me later, which is fine. And then I can go in here and I go to program, load runner, sample, web tool, HP web tool application. So if I open this application, what I had first did, I opened a browser, which is an IE, and this is the URL I used, correct? So the name of the application is where? It says in here, web tool. And then I came to the sign up page, registration page, whatever you want to call this, right? I have either sign in here, log in here, or I can sign up here.
For a new user.
For a new user. So I click the sign up in here, I come up to a customer profile page, which is, I have all the information in there, and I continue, I can sign in. So if I wanted to sign in here, which is a common one is Jojo Bean, I log in, then I come to what?
Welcome page.
Welcome page. Right?
Right.
And here I have flights, itineraries, home, sign off. Therefore, I can come to flights, that can be one. And if I come to flight, I can book a flight. I can book multiple flights. I can see my itineraries. You know, so you continue. Hello? 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 By the way, I want to Google বিষয় ইউজ করতে আমার আইটা কই আমার আই তো এখানে ছিল কোথায় তো আই আমার আই Okay, guys, if I wanted to run Notepad, what do I do?
Notepad.
What the hell is this? Wait, তুই কি লিখতে হবে সেটা বলে দাও।
Like I'm dry driving.
হ্যাঁ?
This is ID name হচ্ছে কি dry driving.
ভাই তুই এলে
you know the batteries, I'm gonna do shutdown, just plug and reopen it, if it works. I'm gonna shut down and reopen it. Just turn off this one.
Try using the try.
If you want to, our view want to look into this.
You do it, you close it, and you let it go. So you guys each do it once. But find out the problem. This is how you do it. So like you won't I'm sure you gotta do it. You do it first. You do it, you close it, you say you do it. That's how the that's how it should be.
You see, it says power on this virtual machine.
You have Roadrunner? How do you have Roadrunner? Oh, Anisha Chilo. So you have it, but nobody else has it.
I'm gonna get out.
You have Roadrunner. You have the start web server. Go to the sample, then Java web server. What brightness bar? I'm
In the conversation, power on this virtual machine.
Everyone is trying to log in, that's why.
What's your password right there? Okay. Click on it. Connect. Now you put that.
Bring that to the main.
Okay, I'm a regular computer Wi-Fi is second to VMware
Yes.
Good enough?
যে কোনো জায়গায় ক্লিক করো অন্য জায়গায় এটা কার কম্পিউটার এটা ঠিক আছে আমার মাউসটা কই এটা তোমার মাউস নেই
I think you are
Okay, তুমি এই ব্যাপারে বেস্ট হলো শুন
This is the version
6.
এম কি সে
What did you say?
Oh, did you make,
Which one?
did you do this already? That's why I did it?
No.
You never did it, right?
Nothing. I just opened the window.
What did you say? Accessories? Accessory? Oh, wait, no, it's what you look at. No, you said just buttons, that's it. Oh, that's for,
আমারটা হচ্ছে না আসতেছে না
বিকজ তোমার ইন্টারনেট VMware এর ইন্টারনেট নাই
আমার VMware internet.
I think my one came.
না না এটা এটা দিচ্ছে দিতেছে
No, it has to be great.
সবার আছে সবারটা চেক করে দিচ্ছি
হ্যাঁ
should be. It's like here, like the arrow sign. Yeah. Where's the
VMware আসে না? VMware আসে।
from system, honor system.
VMware তো open আছে।
এটা
VMware is open Microsoft Excel.
Sorry.
Like yesterday how we did the test cases,
Yeah.
remember?
Mm-hmm.
So open a brand new Microsoft Excel. First save it as demo web tour demo 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 web tour requirements or demo web tour. Just write down as demo web tour. Save it like that. First one, you're gonna have 3 sheets open, correct? Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. The first sheet, rename it as requirements.
That's it.
What's it called? Demo web tours? Oh, including REQUI? Just demo.
DEMO
Yeah.
web TOUR.
Oh, that's it.
Save it as demo web tool.
Okay. And saving the desktop for now. Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. To computer.
requirements.
And you said 3 sheets? Like 3 sheets?
What is your computer? Alright, so come here. Sanju,
Yes.
go to the back.
Right? Okay.
Give it a second.
You can use your computer. Yeah, you should have 8 GB RAM. Trust me. See, 8 GB RAM is slow কাজ করতেছে 6 আর 4 হলে কি হবে জানো? কাজই করবে না।
না, দেখুন, 6 এর কোনো ভরসা নেই, হ্যাঁ?
You guys okay?
Yes. We said open 3 sheets, right?
As soon as you open a Microsoft Excel, it automatically comes with 3 sheets at the bottom.
It's coming only once we make 3 now. They offer only once we just add it.
Okay, that's fine.
Alright, we ready.
Name the first one requirement. Very left side one, make that as requirement.
However, you have the same as you like to.
Now, we have the same as, you just write down demo web tool.
That's it.
No, I turned off. Just
Yeah, but your requirement R should be capitalized.
Second one?
I know,
Wrote it? Second one, write down. Second sheet, write down test cases. Your D should be capitalized, C should be capitalized.
Doesn't matter.
Well, you are missing. You shouldn't have.
Done.
Your computer, you don't have a computer, so use Robin's. What we're saying, that forget about using the web tool right now. In your regular machine, open Microsoft Excel. And as soon as you open Microsoft Excel, some people has 1 sheet, but some people has like 3 sheets open, right? Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 at the bottom. And it's a blank worksheet. So the first one, the sheet you write down as requirements. Write down, name it as requirements. How do you name a sheet? Right click it, rename, and then write down requirements. Right? Okay. Second sheet, write down also, right click, rename as test cases. T should be capitalized in test cases, and case C should be capitalized too.
No space in between test case.
Is test case 1 word or 2 words?
2 words.
So it should be a should there be a space or not?
Yeah, space.
Should be a space.
And the last one is what?
Okay, last one, forget about that right now. So the first one, now shift back to the first one. Click at the bottom, click requirements. So the first one came in right now,
Yes.
right? Okay. Now, first one, top, you write down, very left side, A1, column A1, write down what? Name. Then tab, hit the tab button.
Did.
Did it go to B1?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you write down
Description.
description. Now don't hit the tab button yet.
Okay.
When you finish writing description, tell me.
Description, sorry.
D should be capitalized,
No, why doesn't let me?
right? Instead of hitting the tab button, I use the arrow button. There is a bottom, there is a left, right, top, down arrow. Right, the top, right arrow. Click the right arrow. It is the right arrow. Did it go to C1?
You know why I keep getting this? I'm trying to go back to.
I can see anything. You guys gotta brightness, put your brightness up. Okay, what are you getting?
Look, every time I'm trying to go back to requirements. Yeah. What gives me this?
That's because
Did you say it?
Yeah, I see. I think there's demo website.
Those are the open again.
It won't even let me.
what is that? Did you have any special characters in there?
Which is all of
The name that you typed does not exceed 31 characters. The name
Because
that-
I opened. I'm trying to. This is sheet 3, right?
Right.
This is sheet 3. So I'm just trying to go back. It won't let me go back.
Then we do.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, which Microsoft Excel are you using right now?
The regular.
What if you save this? And I think we save it here. In my virtual field, every time I go and log in, it's gonna have my virtual field.
Okay. Do you have other Microsoft Excel in here? All applications?
How would this start button and the regular Microsoft Word?
You have Microsoft Excel here somewhere saved?
No?
Where did you get Microsoft Excel from? Right here
Oh,
at the bottom?
Where's the section?
Here.
I went to
Here.
Yeah.
I don't think you have this one is Microsoft Excel off. Do you know what this is?
Oh, I went to office?
No, you should go to office first and then do it because problem is this one, right? This one is 2013. I don't think you have the package for that. You should open 2013. Hey, Shumon, did you install a 2007 Office for that? For the virtual machine? Oh, you didn't install it. Okay. All right. So you have your virtual machine open?
Yeah,
Anybody had problem with the Excel?
No, it never opened.
Okay.
After this, it does.
Huh? Virtual machine never open?
No, open virtual machine.
Play.
আমরা কিন্তু আমি যখন এটা শেষ করে কিউটিউবে সেন্ড মি টু ক্লাউড জব মার্কেট
Oh, that that's good. Very good.
আর ভালো
What is your virtual machine? And how does this
Like this.
Mine one is very nice. When you click, it says
Yeah,
open power on the virtual. When you click it, it's power on.
Yeah, I know
It doesn't have a power on button.
Shuman, let Shuman handle that. I don't know how to he does it.
I'm going to look at long.
Now, where is the virtual machine? You're not gonna have any access on this.
No, that I got it.
Here is your virtual machine. Oh, you're not going to have the web tool. You know why? Because you don't have
Windows XP.
that particular sample.
You should have Windows XP in here.
That software you don't
You know
have.
what I mean? Shuman, how come he doesn't have a virtual machine? He doesn't. This one doesn't open. All right, you know what? Listen, two of you do it together. Shuman will take care of it later. He's working on something. So here. Okay. Did you do it? What I said to do? Did you write down the name? What is the next one? Description? What is the third one? And what is the last one? Now, make those beep. How do you make those beep?
We put a March.
Did I tell you to march?
No, March.
I told you to make the font big.
Bigger.
How do you make the font bigger?
Just go
Yeah,
to
click
the,
on it,
go to the
You
text.
select it and then you go to zoom and zoom, you know,
No, go
Not
to the
zoom.
numbers, yeah.
positive.
You go to the
Font.
numbers.
No,
Easy.
you are zooming. You are
No, font, then you change the font.
Yeah. The number, you go to next to bold,
The
the
font.
EI.
It's called the-
No, then you see how it's A small, A big?
with the
Yeah,
word.
Click on
you
that,
select it,
and then just click A plus. Watch it, it'll go bigger. Just leave it, yeah, and right here. Whichever one is bigger.
If I have something like this right now,
Then
I have this. I make this right click and I say rename.
Move it.
I say
Yeah, that's it.
requirements.
One time.
And this one I can write down rename and I can say test case, right?
Well, this one's
And I
already
go
set.
back to requirements and I write down here which is name. Then I put tab button and I say description. Then I can say pad.
And type.
Then I can say type. Now, what should I do in here? I can put this and I can go, I can select. How do you select the whole thing? You can do this way. You can click it in here, click the shift button, click the arrow, right arrow.
Yes.
Okay? Hold the shift button, click the right arrow, like that way. You can go, you can select whatever you want to select. Got it?
Yes.
Now here, I want to make, I go up here. You see that A? Lowercase, uppercase A, or I can make the font bigger, but I can go like this.
Yep.
Then I can do is here. I can go in here and I can make this one, let's say, black. And then I can, if I come in here, do you see anything?
No.
So I can change,
Font.
I can do this one color and I make this one white. You see? Now this one I can double click it in here, make it bigger. I can double click, make it bigger, but I want to make this one a little bigger so I can drag it up to here. Path I can drag it up to here. Type I can put it a little more. So I put it in here. What should name I here? What should, so for this purpose, for this demo web tour, Luna, pay attention to this. Please don't, I'm showing something, you should see this. For demo web tool, what page is this?
Homepage.
Huh? Homepage. This is a homepage, or it can be login page, sign up page. Right? So what we can do here, I can go to,
Don't worry. Open it.
I can come in here and I can say 1.0
Login page. What tours login?
demo web tour / 1.1
Login.
sign up page. Do you guys understand this or no?
Yes, sir.
And name I can put what? 1.1.1
What tours?
demo web tool. And if I come in here and I say, and this is what? Sign up, right? So I can have this one as 1.1.1
Sign up. 1.1.
sign up. Now,
Yeah.
description, user, or
I think you push.
a user
Be able to sign up.
can sign up, or be able to, user B should be able to sign up to the demo web tool. You can write it down that, or you can say demo web tour. Now I can see this, it came in all the way, now it's keep extending, right?
But you can do the text wrap, right?
I can do the text wrap. So I can do this one, I can make this one a little smaller, right, like this, right? And I can do, I select the page that I want to do on the what? You see the text wrap text? You click it like that. So whatever was like outside, it comes down at the bottom. And I can put this one, and I can say, you know what, put it up there. I can do this one, click, and then I can say, you know what, put it up there. If I do in the middle, it's gonna come in the middle. If I put it this, it comes in at the bottom of the cell. So I can put this one on the top. You understand what I just did?
Yes.
All right, fine. Now this one type is what? Functional. Now instead of I doing it and clicking this and going in here, let me show you something. Wait, see here. I can go format paint. I click it, and you will see this is a hand and brush here.
Yeah.
I can click in this cell and it will format like the one that I just did. So let's say if I change this one as this color or red color, let's say red, and I want to brush only this one red. So I can click here, I can go format paint, and I can come in. What it becomes? I can come in here, and I can format paint, and I can come format paint, and I can go in here. It becomes what? Black and white. So whatever this is, whatever font size, whatever the size, whatever font font we're using, whatever color we're using is going to do exactly the same thing. So it's like a format painter. Now, second one. If I do here, it should be what? 1.0
Demo web tour.
demo
slash 1.27
web tour / 1.2.
2. Oh no, it's still 1.1.
1.1.
Point.
We already 1.1 is taken.
1.2 silent.
So once you sign up, then you
Oh, it's a sign up. It's a sign up.
Out of all of you, do you know Dolan is the only one right?
Dolon is the only one?
Who was right actually? I tried to confuse him and he agreed with me. You were right in the beginning. This one should be sign up page as well. This is where we're going to write down 1.2. So why did you agree with me?
No,
You should stick to yours.
You looked at me, that's why I scared
You were right. I was like, let's see, so you should be 1.1 and it's still same thing. So this is the same thing, but I can do is, I can do like same thing like this. How do I do this? If I wanted to go more, I click and select the cell. Right here there's a plus sign. I can drag it as much as possible. All of them are going to be like that. If I don't want that, how do I undo it? Control Z. Control Z. See that? So, what should be here? Tell me guys.
1.1.2.
No, 1.1.2.
Okay, this one is demo web tool, correct?
Yeah, sign up.
And I have sign up. I still have sign up in here.
So
I still have the demo web tool main application. I'm still in the sign up page, but this time I'm signing in. I already have 1.1.1 as sign in, so 1.1.2 as a sign in. And then I go to and authorized user should be able to sign in to the demo web tool
homepage.
application. Now I can do the same thing here. I can format it and I can go like this. It will automatically format it. See that?
No.
And I can do here format, format. Okay, so here I can do
Functional.
functional. একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল আমার ওইটা তুমি একটু চেঞ্জ করে দিও মানে ডিফল্টটা ইয়া দিও বল দিও না আমি ওটা করে দিও না কিন্তু যাদের যাদের লোড আনার দরকার হবে কারণ আমি এই লোড এই অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটার উপরে করাই দিয়েছি অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা ওদের কাছে নাই ডেমো ওয়েব টুলটা আছে তোমার কাছে তুমি খেয়াল করে দেখো এই যে এই মাইক্রোসফটে তো
This is gonna be. No, I don't.
this one if I do this now if I do this one now one demo web tour sign up page right and after I sign up where do I come into this
Welcome.
welcome page let's say that we call this welcome page or
Homepage. Oh no.
flight booking page. Let me call this. So what should I number this?
1.2.
1.2.1.
No, it was 1.2.
1.2.
You put two. Yeah, it's 1.2.
1.2. Final answer.
Final answer, yeah.
Also
Okay.
1.2.
Because we already have 1.1 as sign up page.
Right.
So if I come in here, what should be the name?
But before you book it,
This is gonna be the
sign in.
welcome page. 1.1.3.
Yeah, we sign up. Sign up page here is gonna be sign up page, but user is this is a sign in. Already I'm signing in.
It's
Right?
on the same page.
One test case is I'm signing in. But under that test case, I can do 1.2.1
1 point. Yeah.
and I can do sign in with a valid user, valid username. Sign in with invalid username. Sign in with valid password. All those negative testing. But we are for simple. We are just gonna create this one right now. So I can do this one 1.2, 1.2, right?
Yes.
We have a 1.2, they do that.
Now what we should do this one?
1.1.3.
Wait, 1 point?
1.3.
No, 1.2.1. What is this?
Because it's
1
coming
point,
from the flight book.
1.2.
After 2, there's another one.
Oh, so from there.
Oh, yeah, from there to there. We have to follow path, then I think.
Right.
So what are we transferring? We're transferring this one and extended 1.2.
Oh, so I
You understand that?
Yeah.
So what should I name in here?
Welcome page?
No, we're booking a flight.
Flight booking.
Flight booking. So we can name this one as
User should able to.
user should be
Able
able to
to book a flight.
book a
Flight.
flight. You understand this? Now this one I can color differently. So I can do it in here and I can say I'm gonna make this one as this color, right? I can say, you know what, I'm gonna make this one, I don't like this black thing, so I'm gonna make this one as blue. I'm sorry, blue. And I'm gonna make this one as white. And I want all of them to be in the middle. How do I put it in the middle? I center it.
Can you do that again?
This one is left align, this is center, this is right align, and there is one called just
Oh, okay, right.
Okay, so I put this one all in the middle, these are in here, and now I can put what do I have? 2 minutes, 3 minutes আসছে 3 minutes, I'm coming. Okay. Guys, you guys write this as I said it, you guys wrote it or you didn't write it?
We wrote it.
Yeah, that's right.
So, first of all, everybody write it, then, which was mine? Murad, Murad, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come in here. Come here. Huh? So you're gonna come in as soon as they write this. As I wrote it, write it down. Keep writing. And when they come in, what are you gonna? Okay, you want to stop. So if after I finish this, after they finish writing this, you come in here and you come in and open right here. Take a look. You come in and open this. You see the Windows XP. You open it and you write down here. And the password is BEA and win. And you see that? Now you guys write down some 1.2.1, 1.2.2, 1.2.3, 1.2.4. What those should be.
Okay.
Everybody together write it down. I'm gonna come in. But you gotta write those test cases. And if you need help, right? Help each other or coming in here and you do it. QC notes. You see this here?
Yeah.
Take a look at this.
So what do you do?
So one is home. I put that home.